So these are some statements that I've been told from mentors, from pastors, from just some powerful people in my life that literally I've adopted and literally infused into my life and walk in this on a regular basis. One is walk in high expectancy. People tell me I have the gift of faith. I have big faith. I believe things are going to happen, even if they seem unrealistic. I'll tell you this, you have to walk with a high level of expectancy. You can't expect a miracle while secretly believing it's not going to happen. That's not going to be a way that you're going to see that fruit come to a reality in your life. Another thing is that it's never about extravagance, it's always about excellence. Everything we do in our lives is wrapped around excellence. From the way that we dress, the way that we carry ourselves, the way that we communicate and talk, from just the way that we keep our cars clean and our homes organized, everything. Through and through. You can't have this facade that everything's put together and behind closed doors it's a train wreck. People will see through that and they'll sense that. I mean, for me, it's a really big deal. I think that living with a high expectation of things returning your way, walking in total excellence, and always owning your decisions. Make a decision, be a decision maker, own it, walk it. Even if it fails, at least you made a decision, you tried, and you move forward. It's okay. I assure you, you make enough right decisions. It doesn't matter how many wrong ones you've made. You'll see unbelievable fruit in your life. Start collecting some of the things that people have spoken into your life, into your family's life. Wash yourself in that. Wash yourself that. Speak good thoughts in your mind. Even as I walk humbly with people, and I love people used to tell me in school, man, you're so humble, you're just such a humble servant. In my mind, I'm still thinking I'm better than everybody because I'm thinking I'm the one that's chosen for this. I'm the one that's picked for this. I can do it better. You can't stop me. You need to be speaking life over your life, owning your decisions, walking with a high level of expectancy with excellence at all times.